again tonight. Yeah, it's raining again tonight. Funny how the city gets quieter when the sky breaks open. Red lights blur on the avenue. Headlights drag and go through the puddles like moving paintings. I got one lamp on in the corner, coffee getting colder by the minute, TV talking to itself, but I'm too deep in thought to listen. Cars passing slow outside, water hissing under every tire. Somebody laughing in the distance, then it fades beneath the choir of sirens. And baby, it's strange, but nights like this make me honest. When the world slows down, I can finally hear what's underneath all the noise. I don't got some grand speech tonight, no polished bread, no perfect lines, just me, the rain, and whatever's been sitting heavy on my chest. So I sit by the window, watching the rain run down the glass. Street lights melting in the pavement, while the whole world rushes past. And I got in whispers, like you're sitting in the room. The thunder shaking the ceiling, just the quiet kind of truth. The storm outside keeps falling, but somehow I feel warm inside. It's raining again tonight, and to be completely honest, I don't mind. I don't mind. Wind pushing softly at the window pane, whole building humming like it's half asleep. There's a girl walking home with the hood pulled tight, car sand and water to the curbside. I used to hate the silence, always needed music, needed people, needed motion, anything to keep my mind from floating. But tonight the rain got rhythm, the passing cars keep time, and every little sound reminds me I don't gotta force peace all the time. Maybe healing don't arrive loud, maybe it sounds like cross streets and tired eyes. I'm finally exhaling after carrying too much, so I let the moment breathe tonight. No running from myself, this time just me, the rain, and ever listening quietly, somewhat nearby. So I sit by the window, watching the rain run down the glass. Street lights melting in the pavement, all the whole world rushes past. And I got to get in whispers, like he's sitting in the room. The thunder shaking the ceiling, just the quiet kind of truth. The storm outside keeps falling, but somehow I feel warm inside. It's raining again tonight, and to be completely honest, I don't mind. Rain tapping soft against the window frame, tired singing on the boulevard, blue reflections dancing on the ceiling, while the city beats like a tired heart. And somewhere in the static of the storm, I swear peace finally gonna be not dramatic, not cinematic, just gentle enough to stay.